My name is Felicia. I'm with Camp Cares in 31. Today I'm going to show you our Get Creative Caddy. I want to show you the ins and outs of it to kind of give you an idea of size, how much it will hold, and kind of give you some ideas of what you can use it for. Sorry about the lighting. It is really early here and I'm trying to get some videos knocked out before the kiddos wake up. So that's where we're at today. I've been meaning to film these videos for going on a couple weeks now, but with the little ones, it's really hard for me to find time to do that without them jumping in the video and screaming and fighting and laughing and the things that kids do. So here we are. Here's the Get Creative Caddy, and I got mine in the origami pot. You'll see that here. I love how bright this color is. I just love the pinks, how they pop with the black. I really like the orange and the blacks, and this is a true white. So to kind of give you an idea of the size, here's my hand. Okay, it does have two straps here, and it's nice because it fits really comfortable. So if you're one of those who likes to take your projects with you, it makes it really easy to just take it with you on the go. It's really nice because it's lightweight without anything in it, so it really allows you to pack the thing down. If you're like me, you got to have everything with you. So let me show you what happens when you unsnap these here. It actually has this awesome space here for you. So it does have a Velcro pocket. Okay, it goes the full length of the bag. And then it's just shy of the entire height of it, as you can see here. It does have two button snaps. And then on the front here, you have a clear, almost clear mesh pocket here. So you can actually throw in some more, whatever you want. Okay? And then it just snaps shut. There you go. And then on the other side, you have another snap. I still have the lining, and this one is actually a clear PVC lined pocket. You can see here. I'll throw one of these in here so you can see that. It's actually the full length of the bag as well. Let me take it off so you can see it. It's the full length as well, right? And almost the height. So you can see there. And then here you've actually got three pockets. And they are, divided right here. So that's nice because you can actually, however you want to organize your things. Now it doesn't just have to be like scrapbooking things. You can use it for baking, anything that your heart desires. It could even be a great work bag. You want to keep, your tapes, your pens, whatever you choose to use this for. It's just a great bag for organization. It has two button snaps as well. You can see that there. And then the inside of the bag, I actually have just an inch binder to show you the height and the width, right? So you can see that it will hold a regular size binder. So if you are trying to get a size reference, that will show you that's where you're at, okay? It's the full length and just shy of the height there, okay? Then, if you guys have an All About the Benjamins wallet, you can see there as a size reference as well. Okay? Just about the height of the wallet and just shy of the length. Okay? That's the whole reason of putting that. So you can see the size. And then if you have like a planner, or this is just a stenographer pad, just a regular little stenographer pad, and you can see let's turn it this way because there's a tag. You can see just shy, it's only like a couple inches shorter. So that you can see what size and what it'll fit in here. And you'll see here is just an open area. So like I said, if you're using this for a work bag or craft bag or whatever, you can see how much space is actually in this, right? There's a good amount of space in there. So you can really pack this bad boy down. Then, just gonna quickly show you, if you guys have noticed or have seen, we have our Get Creative pouches now. It's something new. This one is the cylinder. It's clear on the top and the bottom, which is awesome, so you can see what's inside. And then this one just zips open like that. Okay, I'm gonna throw that in here. Let's take this one out. And this one. And then we have our round, our Get Creative round. So you could put brads in here, pencil erasers they show, paper clips, whatever you need, little sticky notes that you need for your crafting or baking or whatever. And then we have the rectangle. It too has this one's actually clear front and then a pink lined back, or whichever color you choose. It comes in 3 different colors, black, navy, or pink, and of course I chose pink. But that fits great in there too. And then we also have our the slim pouches. They are clear, as you can see here. I just put some washi tape in there. Obviously, I have tons more washi tape. This is just what I had on hand real fast. So this is a great way to organize your crafting or your bag, whatever you want to use it for. So they all fit in there very nicely, and you can mix or match these however you want, right? These are just the ones that I chose to show you guys. And then you'll see they fit in there great, right? Perfect. So if you were thinking about it or wondering or considering, will these fit in there? They're made perfect. So you could even get a bunch of these and just stack them in here. They fit nicely. And then the rectangle is right there. Sorry guys, I've been kind of sick, so it's early morning and that's what happens, I guess, when you wake up too early. No, it's not too early for me, but anyway, that is our Get Creative Caddy. I love this one. This one is probably, well, they're all my favorite, but I just love the size of this one. I love how much it holds. I love that it has convenient straps to carry with you. Like I said, it would be a wonderful work bag. And they hold a lot. You wouldn't know it unless you really just kind of packed it down. So again, my name is Felicia. I'm with Camp Cares in 31. I will leave all the information linked down below, where to purchase. If you're interested in joining my Facebook page, I have a wonderful community there as well. If you like this video, if it gave you some ideas, give us a like. It really will help me out. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to my channel and then click the little bell down there and you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.